ridiculous. Oh, that's just half time? That's just half time? I don't get this new domination thing where they split up the match. I don't know what the point of it is. Which just confuses me sometimes. I've been everywhere. Sure, I was going to cuss a bad word a while ago, you see. How you like me now? How you like me now, man? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh no. Oh man, I'm sorry. I blew his ass up, man. I blew his ass up. No, we're not losing B. You know why? Because I blew his ass up. He shot me in the butt. No, this shotgun guy. No, it's a new one. CBBC. What? Hey, Bridging, just go away, man. Let me steal a care package. People always thief my care packages. Why don't I return the favor? That's all I'm doing. Returning the favor. Ah. I'm not in the mood to die again. I'm not in the mood to die again! Now, I don't normally rate on matches like this, but this is just ridiculous, man. This is just ridiculous. Sorry, I'm bringing my score back up in the match. So, not doing too bad. I can't really complete. Ah, crap, it's a load star. Ah, crap. And there goes my score that I was bringing back up. Where is it? Oh, man. Whoa, whoa, run. No, 32. Ah, man. Go away, man. Go away. I don't want your face on here, man. I don't want to say it. Oh, man. Come on, they're taking B, man. They're taking B. Come on, guys. Oh, crap. They have a VTOL. A VTOL warship? Really? Really? And I thought it couldn't possibly get worse. But there it goes, getting worse. A heck of a lot worse. Move yourself, man, boy, you're camping. Move yourself. Dirty boy. Dirty boy, shotgun boy, you're dead. Shotgun boy, you're dead. I say, a gunshot, a beer gunshot, me say for you. Full him up with, oh crap. Okay, he gone. He gone. Okay, dokie. I win! Still a really bad KD, but you know, we won the match. Sometimes it's just about winning. It's not all about the KD. Sometimes, you know, KD is kill to death ratio for those of you who don't know. Yep, I knew you knew. Ah, there we go. There we go. There we go. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap. Ah, shotgun again. Shotgun again. Surprise, surprise. Oh, this is annoying me. Oh, come on, man. I shot him first, man. I shot him at point blank range. If that was real life, he'll be dead. How much bullets do I have to put in these people? Seriously, how much bullets do I have to put in these damn people? Getting on my nerves, man. Watch out. Crash! Yeah, just take bullet and shut up, man. Yeah, you too, man. Shut up. When I have to initiate bad man mode, I just don't care with you guys anymore. You know what I mean? Just shoot you up and that's it. That's it. Nice doing business with you. That's all it is. Business with you. Nothing more, not less. Just business with you. How you gonna run out of ammo? How you gonna run out of ammo right there? Nah, bro. Oh, just go away! Go away, Nino! Oh, I see you going upstairs, and I'm gonna follow you and shoot you in your back, Tuck. No. 2, 1. End of match. Finish at the bottom of the board, but with a positive KD this time. Just. It's annoying when you get, God. Stressing me out already and it's early in the morning. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please rate, comment, subscribe, whatever you feel like doing. Yeah, man. So, yeah, this is first of many games to be uploaded from me. I'm going to start playing a lot more games, not just Black Ops. But yeah, hope you enjoyed. Take care. Peace, little more, and yeah, I'm gone.